will show you how to install any third-party plugins or custom plugins in Final Cut Pro X. So download the third-party plugins, then go to Home and then Users, then Movies, then create a new folder named Motion Templates. Right click on it and then select Get Info and add .localized extension. Close that. Create a new folder named Titles. Click Get Info, add .localized extension. Create another folder, rename it to Generators, then add localized extension. Now go to the downloaded folder where you have downloaded the zip file, unzip it and copy the folder to the generator folder or title folder. Then open Final Cut Pro and you will find the extension showing on the left menu. You can see here I am showing the plugins is showing on the Final Cut Pro. Now I am showing how to use the plugin. I am dragging and dropping the plugin just I have installed. That's Titan plugin, and now I am opening a generator plugin. It's a callout custom plugin. So you can see it's working perfectly. So by this guide you can install any downloaded or created custom plugin and install it on your Final Cut Pro. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Have a great day.